Okay, I know you want to get started trading. First thing you'll need to do is get your license for the software, and then you'll need to set up your software, get your demo account. First thing you're going to do is click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you'll submit basic information. On the bottom left, you're going to see an upgrade button. You have to click the upgrade button in order to pay for your license. Once you've paid for your license, then we can go ahead and install the software. And to do that, you're going to go to Full Throttle Forex.com, fullthrottleforex.com, and use the password. It's password protected now. And you'll go into the demo setup guide, and then follow these steps one by one. Make sure that you watch the video on each step. Steps 1 through 5 will get the software set up on your computer and get you trading on your demo account. The other steps, all the way through 8, from 6, 7, and 8, that's to get you set up on your smartphone so that you can watch things from your phone. Hope that helps. If you need any help setting up at all, just reach out to me and we can go through it together.